Good morning, everyone. We are at Sunset Crater National Monument. We're camped at Bonito Campground, just down the hill from here. We're going to hit a couple of national monuments this morning. This is the Sunset Crater National Monument. The whole area is actually the National Monument. This is just a small segment of it. It has a trailhead down where we just came from. I'm going to walk down the trail a little bit. Quaking aspen. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. But we've been here for 3 days, camped down at Bonito. We're going to a trail on the jagged lava surface. Life emerges. This is a little trail. I think we might take this little trail. It goes down there. Let's go down here and see what this sign says first. That one says do not enter. Lava's Edge Trail. This is the one that's closed. They had a fire last year up here, and there's a lot of down trees, so they're trying to keep everybody safe. So that's 3.4. That goes back to the campground. We're not going to do that one. We're going to walk down this one. I think this might just be a little loop trail back around to the campsite, or to where the truck's parked. So we're going to take this down the hill. And give y'all a look at Sunset Crater National Monument. This is a big lava bed, y'all. We're going to another one up the road. I can't even pronounce it, so I'm not even going to try. I don't have on my best lava bed my best lava bed hiking shoes this morning. It amazes me all the vegetation growing in these lava beds. The campground's on a big. It's not really a lava bed, but there's a lot of cinder and whatever you call it there as well. But this is pretty spectacular, y'all. But this is just one of our stops this morning, and I wanted to bring y'all down here to take a quick gander, a quick look at these lava beds. But there's a trail of this that goes all the way back to the campground, and we are not going to take it. But this is pretty fascinating stuff that they've turned into a national monument. And like I have said many times, y'all, these national monuments are all throughout the country. They're a good alternative to national parks. They're not quite as large, but a lot of them are just as spectacular, I think, in their own way. Lava beds at Sunset Crater National Monument. I'll get a campground video before we leave this week. I love my bedrocks, but boy, they're rough on cinders. It's a cool little trail. I mean, it's short. It's just a little loop trail through the... That's pretty awesome. You look up the hill. Oop, there's Bart and Arnie. We got company behind us. I didn't see them. Anyway. Big rocks, y'all. But this is a 545 is a I think like a 35-mile scenic road around this volcano. And we're going to take it up to the next national monument. And I will, hopefully the visitor center will be open so I can get the pronunciation for you. Yeah, that was on video. Me almost falling over that rock. I don't think I broke a toe, y'all, so I should be good. As long as I don't fall off in one of these while I'm trying to look at the camera, it's fine. This is C. Bruno opted. We had to give him some Benadryl this morning. The pines are messing him up something awful. So he's kind of laid out in his bed in the truck, in his car seat in the truck. We're going to head up here and hop back in. Let's just see, probably get out and take a few pictures. Pretty fascinating. Anyway, Sunset Crater National Monument, y'all. We'll see you from the next one. Whew. This is the cinder that I'm talking about walking on. It's not sand. Trail. Where's your sign? All right, let's go let Mrs. C take some pictures.